What's that? That's right. That's a leopard or a cheetah or something. What's that one? Good job, baby. Alligator. He goes. Oops. Is that a moose? I have a hard time with this one. I don't know. I can't do it. Moose. Moose. I don't know. What about the other one? Baby girl? What's that? The polar bear? What does the polar bear do? Rawr. Whoop. Good job. Are you going to go bring me more? She's so cute. The lion? Rawr. She's going to bring him. What's that? Tiger? Which one are you going to grab? Toucan? How about you grab the elephant? Emmy. Emerson. Okay, come here. Oh, of course the giraffe. Come here. Yeah. Hey. Whoa, what do we have here? Okay. What does the giraffe do? What about the giraffe? Giraffe? He goes. Like he's eating food. And the tiger? Good job. What about, we knew the polar bear. And the monkey? He was sitting like a monkey. And the lion? The lion goes, roar. Bianca, hi baby. The toucan? I don't know. Hey, what about Emmy? What does an elephant do? Yes, like this. Yeah, you didn't bring me the elephant. You gonna go get it? Yeah? Get it! That's right. Oh my gosh. Kangaroo? Kangaroo goes hop, 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 hop. And the elephant? Yes! You're so smart. Emmy, I love you.